BSE today, and ahead of that, it's a good start for benchmark indices. Nifty is off to a good start. Sensex is off to a decent start, but more than anything else, I think it's the market breadth which seems to be showing signs of inertia. And I think it's a market breadth which I think could be the talking point for next few days, because that's where I think the interest seems to be moving. I mean, the confidence to trade long is there, the confidence to stay long is there, the confidence not to sell is there. So let's address newsmakers here, small ones first, but it's an important one, which is that which way some of those solar renewable companies are moving. Borosil Glass, definitely big beneficiary. But could this have an impact on some of the solar panel manufacturers, which is, let's say, a Vari or a Premier or some of the other companies which have gone public? And the answer, I think, to that is yes, because those are stocks also which are moving higher. So markets are telling you that in the near term, solar is a top theme, and the government action purely seems to be supporting that. Vodafone, Suzlon, Yes Bank. And then let's not lose sight of all those capital market plays which suddenly are jumping as if there is no tomorrow. BSE, CDSL, I mean that long list, we'll just flash it.
Yeah, okay. There's, of course, GRSE as well, which has signed a contract for the construction and delivery of the second 7500 DWT multi-purpose vehicle. So look out for that stock as well. There's Zaggle, which has entered into an agreement with Hitachi India. Look out for what that stock as well does. 3% higher for Zaggle as we speak. For Canara Bank, the RBI has accorded an approval to the bank for divesting its shareholding in Canara Robeco AMC and Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company. That also is positive news flow. In any case, some of these smaller banks have been nicely playing catch-up of late. Not just Can Bank, but a BOB, RBL. They're all, holding up quite okay nowadays. City Union Bank, in fact, Axis Capital has initiated a buy with the target price of 220 on this one. So let's see what that stock is up to. Marginally higher for City Union Bank as we speak. By the way, Ola Electric and seems that the cup of woes is still brimming. They've received a further communication from the CCPA. That stock lower by about 2% as we speak right now. Nykaa, what is that stock up to? The fashion CEO, Mihir Parekh, has resigned. About a 0.5% downtick is what you're seeing on Nykaa. And then, of course, there is Torrent Power, which has raised about 3,500 crore rupees via the QIP. 50% of the total QIP shares were issued to SBI Mutual Fund. There's Edelweiss Financial as well. Alternate Asset Subsidiary has filed a DRHP for an OFS for about 1,500 crore rupees via the IPO. So look out for what that stock as well does in trade. Other than that, Angel One. Let's see whether you are seeing a replication or a continuation of the uptick from yesterday on not just Angel One, wherein the November average daily orders are actually down 6.5%, and the gross client acquisition has slipped 14.6% on a month-on-month basis, which is why some of the gain on Angel One from yesterday is getting undone. 3% lower for Angel One as we speak right now. But what about a CDSL and what about a BSE? These were the other star performers yesterday. CDSL still holding up, and BSE will come up for you on your screens next. Another 3% for bump up after a near about 14% uptick on the stock just yesterday. But Kunal,
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.